A reported FWICE non-cooperation directive, a growing Dawn 3 controversy, and while Bollywood is busy debating what really happened behind the scenes, Ranveer Singh seems completely unfazed. In fact, at a time when headlines are filled with speculation about his future in the Dawn franchise, the actor was spotted in Budapest meeting Arsenal superstar Declan Rice and cheering for his favourite football club. So is Ranveer deliberately staying away from the noise? And what exactly is happening with the Dawn 3 controversy? Let's break it all down. From the last few days, Ranveer Singh has found himself at the center of one of Bollywood's biggest controversies. The discussion started after reports emerged about his alleged exit from Dawn 3, one of the most anticipated films in the country. Soon after, reports claimed that the Federation of Western India Sign Employee or FWICE had reportedly issued a non-cooperation directive against the actor. According to reports, filmmaker Farhan Akhtar approached the industry body alleging that Ranveer's departure from the project had caused significant financial losses to Excel Entertainment. As the story gained momentum, industry insiders, fans, and social media users began debating who was right and who was wrong. Naturally, many expected Ranveer Singh to come forward and publicly explain his side of the story. But that's not what happened. Instead of reacting through interviews or social media posts, Ranveer chose to remain silent. However, his spokesperson did issue an official statement. The statement read, "Ranveer Singh holds the highest regard for the film fraternity and for everyone associated with the Dawn franchise. Throughout the recent developments surrounding Dawn 3, he has consciously chosen to maintain silence, believing that professional discussions and personal equations are best handled with dignity, maturity, and mutual respect." The statement further clarified that the actor did not wish to comment on the matter beyond this, and that one statement revealed a lot. Rather than escalating the controversy, Ranveer appeared determined to stay away from public and let the matter be handled privately. But while the Dawn 3 story continued making headlines in India, Ranveer was making headlines for an entirely different reason, thousands of kilometers away. The actor was recently in Budapest with Arsenal and England midfielder Declan Rice. For football fans, this was a huge moment. After all, Declan Rice is one of Arsenal's biggest stars and among the most celebrated midfielders in the world football today. Ranveer shared a picture with Rice on Instagram stories and captioned it about last night. He also added a red and white heart emoji and the iconic Kishore Kumar classic Tere Jaisa Yaar Kahan, Kahan Aisa Yaar Aana in the background. The unexpected Bollywood football crossover immediately went viral online. In the picture, Ranveer was seen wearing a pastel printed shirt, blush pink trouser and tinted sunglasses, while Rice opted for a relaxed all-black outfit. Fans from both football and Bollywood flooded social media with reactions because for long-time followers of Ranveer Singh, this wasn't surprising at all. Because his connection with Arsenal goes back more than 2 decades. Ranveer has openly spoken about being a die-hard Arsenal supporter for years. In one of his earlier interactions, he revealed that Arsenal wasn't a club he inherited from family tradition. Instead, it was a club he consciously chose to support. According to Ranveer, he became an Arsenal fan in 2001 after being mesmerized by Arsene Wenger's legendary invincible side and the beautiful style of football they played. He was just 16 years old at that time, and even after all these years, his loyalty to the club remains unchanged, which is why Arsenal's recent defeat hit him just like millions of supporters around the world. But even in the disappointment, Ranveer shows positivity. After Arsenal's narrowly missed out on a major European triumph, Ranveer posted a heartfelt message for the team. He wrote, "Proud of the boys, fought like lions, couldn't get any closer in a game of such fine margins. Congratulations to my Arsenal family on a historic season. And the best is yet to come." The post quickly resonated with Arsenal supporters online. Many praised the actor for backing the team during a difficult moment rather than disappearing when things did not go their way. And perhaps that's what makes the entire story so interesting. While Bollywood remains obsessed with the Dawn 3 controversy, Ranveer Singh appears focused on the things that genuinely matter to him: football, travel, his fans, and the projects that lie ahead. Reports also suggest that the actor's next major film could be Pralay, a zombie adventure co-starring Kalyani Priyadarshan, with production expected to begin soon. So while question around Dawn 3 continues to remain unanswered, Ranveer Singh seems determined to keep moving forward. Whether he eventually addresses the controversy in detail or not remains to be seen. But at least for now, Ranveer Singh's message is loud and clear. No public fights, no social media wars, no lengthy explanations, just football, positivity, and one simple belief: the best is yet to come. This is Simran Keswani, and you're watching Times Entertainment.